walk you through the step-by-step process of downloading, installing, and set up Burp Suite on Windows and Linux. And let me tell about first Burp Suite. Burp Suite is a popular cybersecurity tool used for testing web application security. So it helps security professionals, ethical hackers, and developers identifying vulnerabilities like SQL injection, cross-site, and authentication faults. So today I'm going to tell about the SQL injection, and I will explore what SQL injection and how attackers exploit. So let me share my screen. Okay. Ma'am, my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay. So in Burp Suite there are two editions. One is community edition and one professional edition. So I'm going to install community edition. There are a lot of sites is there, but the port figure is a domain site. We can download Burp Suite community edition here. Okay, it is asking login. Okay. I don't want to waste my time. So download community edition, this ports figure site. Download it, and in Windows it is very easy to download and install by clicking double tap the exe file. We can download it easily. And let me show the Linux version also. Okay. In Linux also same, we can download it in post figure site. Okay, maybe network issue is taking some time. After downloading from community edition, in Linux we can see the exe file. So I'm going to in my terminal. So ls is list. We can see every folders by checking ls command. You can see every folders. Then cd, we can downloads. Using cd command, I open the download folder. Inside, thus I can see the Burp Suite downloaded version. By using this, we can rectify that burp suite installed, downloaded in Linux PC. After that, we have to give the command change mode +X, then burp. Okay, by giving this, we can manually install the downloaded burp suite in the Linux. Okay, I already installed that, so it's showing error. Then after this command, dots backslash burp suite. By giving this command, it will successfully installed and open the burp suite. So this is the difference between Windows and Linux. In Linux, we have to install manually. In Linux, we have to install by giving these commands for burp suite, for anything, for every commands we have to give some commands to install that. But in Windows, we can double click and or run some run or execute. We can give it that we can install in Windows. Okay. Wait a second. Okay. While opening burp suite, it will ask a temporary project or new project. We are just give temporary project and select next, and by default use burp suite, then start burp. Okay, this is the dashboard.